Hello, welcome to another video in which we are going to discuss more about Shopify Store marketing. In this video, I will tell you how to do on-page SEO for your Shopify store. We have discussed in another video how to add SEO, the basic SEO in your Shopify store. But in this video, we will discuss more and what are things you need to take care when you are doing on-page SEO for your Shopify store. So let's get started. So let's check how you can do the on-page SEO for your Shopify store. So in previous video, we have created some keywords using Uber Suggest tool. So I'm using the same keywords for doing the on-page SEO for this test store. Okay. So I have selected these 10 keywords from Uber Suggest. Now let's go to the admin panel for the Shopify, and from here the first thing what you have to do is just click on online store and go to preferences and add the title and meta description for homepage. So now I'm going to add by using these keywords. Okay, so I'm just creating one example in order to understand. Okay, so I'm going to make this as my homepage title. The maximum character is 870 character. Okay, so make sure you don't exceed that. So I'm just going to add the keyword. Okay, so include the keyword for the homepage keyword. So include the keyword in this homepage title. So I'm using multiple keywords. To create my homepage title. Okay, and I'm creating the homepage meta description by including the keywords. Okay, so let's try like this. Okay, I'm just typing something because you can also add more in detail with some good language and including the keywords. Okay, always try to include the selected keywords for the homepage meta description. Okay, now I'm going to save this one. Okay, so this is the first part that you have to do for the on-page SEO in Shopify admin panel, and the second step is to add the meta details for the collections. Okay, so let's go to the collection page, and in this collection page and scroll down and you can see the edit web SEO. So I'm going to add this for my collection. Okay, because actually you can add more details, but and include the SEO keyword within that. Okay, so I'm just adding this one and just try to make the handle also with your keyword. Okay, with your main keyword. Okay, and just save this one. Okay, so this is the second place that you have to take care when you're adding the on-page SEO. Okay, so do the same for all your collections. Okay, and the third thing what you have to do is like within this collections, what you can also do one more thing. If you are having one collection image, you can try to add the alt tag. Now I don't have any collection image, so I'll just show you when I'm adding in the products page. Okay, so let's go to the product. The third thing is to add within the products. Okay, so I'm going to one of the product and I'm just doing the same for this product. Okay, so I can just add the product name, as well as I can just include the keywords. Okay, and you can type the meta description even, and you can also include the keyword within the URL handle. Okay, so try to include the keywords within your description also, because it will help you in SEO. And the third thing is, and the fourth thing is, like, just click on this and add the alt tag, okay, with your keywords. Okay, you can use different keywords for different images which should be related. Okay, I'm just showing you one example only, so you have to make sure that you are adding them in the correct way. If this dress is not shaper, don't add it. Okay, so I'm just showing you only an example. Okay, so this is the fourth place that you have to do, and now you are almost done with the basic SEO within the Shopify admin panel. So if you are doing this, and if you do the things like adding the homepage meta title and meta description, and collections meta title, meta description, and products meta title description, as well as the URLs, and like if you include your keywords within your product description, then it will increase and it will boost your SEO. Okay, and don't forget to add the alt tag for all the images possible. Okay, so this is how it works. And if you're going to settings, and if you're going to market, and if you're targeting different countries, what you can do is you can also add the prefix for your URL for different countries. Okay, so we'll just discuss regarding the Shopify markets in a separate video. So hope this on-page SEO topic helps you. Thanks for watching.